This video covers installation and assembly of the intermediate rest platform for ADA ramp systems. Prepare the parts needed to assemble the intermediate rest platform. Assemble and install the 6-pocket ramp platform and the highest ramp run's ramp sections. Lean the intermediate rest platform up against the previously assembled 6-pocket platform and ramp run. Install centered foot pad legs into the intermediate rest platform leg pockets. Use the same size legs as the previous ramp section in this ramp system. Intermediate rest platform legs install in the same way as ramp section legs. Clip the intermediate rest platform onto the previous ramp section's clip. Pivot the platform down so that it stands with its legs. If necessary, level the platform by adjusting the platform's legs. Install the next ramp sections in the ramp wedge of the second ramp run. Install the ramp section and wedge picket guards to the second ramp run. The intermediate rest platform's picket guards install in the same way as the ramp section picket guards. Install the intermediate rest platform's picket guards. Starting with the wedge inner rails, install the second run's inner handrails. The intermediate platform inner handrails install in the same way as the ramp section inner handrails. Install both the left and right intermediate inner handrail. Finish installing the remaining inner handrails for the first ramp run. Tighten all bolts to 50 foot-pounds before using.